have a problem. There is the rubber inside of this lock. The grandson, he closed tightly, then there is a rubber inside, hard to take out. So I have to make it later. I have to put like this. This one can be folded. Can I take? Have to like this or this. Oh, oh, no, can fold. No strength, no strength at all. How she, how it's stuck. This is very tight. He makes very tight. Oh my god. Yeah, like this. One more. Oh, yeah, like this. Yeah, it will be like this. See? No, it's not a cotton rod. This one is for the senior stick. If you to support when you walk that you don't have strength to walk, then you walk like this. See this handle? Yeah, this is the one. But I cannot put back because I have to take out the rubber inside. So I keep it here for a while. Yeah, because our kitchen very small. Put back this here. And this is our rice cooker. Oh my gosh. For the whole, it's a cane, yes. Like it's a stick. Yeah. Then only now the time for cleaning of my kitchen. Oh, so many foods. I don't know how they buy and buy, then they don't eat. Cannot eat that all in one time. Just leftover food. The egg tart must be there. Oh my gosh. Oh no, grabe siya gosh. Can't, no space here. Never mind. I put here. Stop. Whoa. In the kitchen. And this is the kitchen here. Yes. Do you eat breakfast in the morning? You don't eat breakfast in the morning? Alright. How are you doing? How's your sleep? I can't smile without you. I never drink water. I want to drink water. Never drink water. What is this? Like, let's. Oh, today is a